Back in the day, if you had to Shazam a song, you actually had to call a number and be on the call 15 seconds before it can send you a text message of what the music is. But today you can do this in just a second. So how does Shazam work, right? Shazam actually creates audio fingerprints in order to identify what the music is from its library. In the early days, it was a tedious job by where they had to manually enter all the music from CDs and then also label them because they didn't have metadata. But today, every music does come with metadata and it's easy to update in a library. Apple also took over Shazam back in 2018, which gave it much more popularity, and the growth of smartphones made Shazam a hit. For example, let's say you're in a mall and you want to identify certain music using Shazam. So what Shazam does is capture a spectrum of this entire complex data, and then it breaks down to its peak points and gets a fingerprint of this audio. It then tries to match these points, not individually, but trying to match multiple points with the library that they have. There's a very detailed study of this on Wall Street Journal, which I will link to it in this video below. Basically, this is what the idea is, and I hope you found this useful. And if you like this video, do leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one.